What's up, guys? It's your girl Kenzie, and I am back with another video. You already know. Don't play.
Reality, they treated me unfairly. You put your friends in our business. You know they down for attention.
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is going to be a Valentine's Day vlog. Everything that's going on in this video is Valentine's Day related, pretty much. Valentine's Day was literally Wednesday, and yeah, so we're just now getting ready. We're just now really celebrating, doing all the festivities now. So yeah, some of my gifts are right here. I done already opened it and stuff, but this is not all the stuff that I got. I got some other stuff, but it's put up already. But I did get that. I got these little baskets or whatever, and then I got Shein packages that I wanted. He ordered those, and yeah, and then I don't know what else he has planned for us this weekend or whatever. So yeah, y'all, it's a lot going on my plate this weekend. Okay, I had to work during the week. That's why Valentine's Day is getting celebrated this weekend. Period. So anyways, today's Friday. I'm cooking. Well, me and my brother are cooking right now. I'm about to get ready to help him make his glitter roses for his girlfriend or whatever. So I'm about to help him do that. So that's super cute. I feel like that's really cute. Period. So we're gonna see how those turn out. I'm gonna help him do that or whatever. But we're cooking Phillies right now. Steak Phillies and fries. He's over there finishing it up or whatever. So yeah, and then we went to Ross today. We went to a lot of places today because my sister's birthday is on Monday, but she's celebrating it Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. But I will only be attending Sunday and Monday because I got a lot going on. So she's doing this. She got a little Airbnb or whatever. She's gonna be doing that. So I went to go to the store to get snacks for that. I went and bought her a gift, and then I took my brother to Party City. So I was doing a lot today. I should have been vlogging earlier, but it was just, I was trying to hurry up and get in and get out. So I do want to show y'all what I got from Ross, but I'm not gonna show y'all my, well, by the time this video go up, Sheldon already got her gift. Anyways, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Ross. So first I got her this gift basket. I got her this bag. I'm about to put the stuff in. Got her this cute Steve Madden purse. This is cute. I should have got this for me, honestly, but this is cute for her. Pink Steve Madden purse. I feel like it's dark in here. Can y'all see me? We got her some little makeup thing, because I know she wears makeup. So we got some little bags for her makeup, or just like travel stuff. She don't even got to put her makeup in here, but I thought this was cute too. So we got her this cute little shirt, because my sister is one of them girls, y'all. She loves clothes. She loves shirts like this. So I got her this. I'm gonna put that in her bag. I got this for my mom for Valentine's Day. This little cute Juicy Couture set. I wish they had it in pink, but they didn't. But dang, they're gonna pop. Got her this, so that's super cute too. I'm gonna send this back with my brother so she can give it to her. But that's what I got as far as gift wise. And then for my home, I just got this. Got this cute picture. It says, "As for me in my house, we will serve the Lord," because that's what we do. And I'm about to show y'all what I got from Publix. I didn't really get much. I just got the stuff for dinner. These plug-ins for the house. I'm about to go ahead and put that in there right now. And then that's really it. And then my brother got his stuff. He got the roses. So yeah, we finna finish cooking, and then we gonna start on these roses.
Hold it
Hey y'all, so today is Saturday. I'm getting ready to go out with my friends for today. I told y'all we was going on a little outing, Valentine's Day, whatever. I got my pink on, Thanksgiving, real cute. So y'all, we was real behind schedule. We was supposed to be leaving at 12 this afternoon, but we woke up late and we was real tired, so we didn't make it at 12. I kind of figured we wasn't because they just got off work not too long ago. And baby, one thing about that job, it'll wear you out. It'll have you tired. I don't want to do nothing. So yeah, anyways, that's besides the point. So I'm currently waiting on them to come pick me up, and we're gonna make our way down. Y'all, it's this Hello Kitty, it's like a little cafe truck. I thought it was an actual place, but I had looked it up and it's a cafe truck. So we're going down to Atlanta for that because if you don't know by now, I love Hello Kitty. Anything that has to do with Hello Kitty, I want it, I need it, I want to see it. So we're gonna head down there to go check that out, and then we're gonna go get food, and then we're going to get hats made with our nicknames on them. So yeah, and I got them a little gift, so I'm gonna show y'all the gifts that I got for them. I got both of them flowers. Hold on. Both of them some flowers, and then just cards, nothing major, just a little 1-2 cute cards, whatever. And then I'm about to put these two chocolates on the back. Gonna tape these to the back of them just to make them all cute. And yeah, so I'm gonna give them to them when they get here. If y'all not buying gifts for y'all friends, then y'all are bad friends. Sorry. I'm a gift giver, so that's so cute, isn't it? Period. Yeah. The outfit is really cute. Make sure y'all go follow my Instagram to see my reels and follow my TikTok to see TikToks. Cause I'm gonna be vlogging today and I'm about to be posting on TikTok too. So we got a whole lot we got going on today. So period. Wait, is this what? Yeah. This your Josh. Don't cry. You better not. Did you see him? Hey y'all, bestie checking in. You know, always gotta make a video in the video.
Girl, I need her back at 7 o'clock. Thanks.
Nobody asked you.
No, I'm telling you.
Happy Valentine's! Period!
We made it to Atlantic Station, and we're waiting in the line.
Show them the line.
Y'all, this line is ridiculous, baby. They gonna have to stay open. They gonna have to stay open. All right? Cause look, I came all this way to finally meet my biggest fan. So, but y'all, this line is ridiculous. Look at the line. The truck over there. Let me show. Can I zoom in? You won't zoom in. Baby, the truck is trucking. Damn it, it's cool. And this line is not moving. And one thing about it, look at her tights. Everything. Okay, guys. Everybody's out here wearing their Hello Kitty stuff, and I'm jealous because I didn't wear any of mine.
Hold on, let me zoom you out. Show us the fit.
So we're gonna show my fit. It's not Hello Kitty, but my fine. Because we got the pants from Shein.
Yeah.
Shoes from Shein.
Yeah.
Shirt from Shein.
Yeah.
Jacket, Tommy Hilfiger.
Yeah.
Hair, my sister friend. Lashes, my lash tech. Nails, Lush.
Her.
And jewelry from
Icebox.
Pandora.
Icebox.
Yeah. Jewelry from,
Icebox.
I don't remember. So, fit check.
Fit.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Okay. Shoes, Converse.
Converse.
Pants, Forever 21.
Okay.
Shirt, Pretty Little Thing.
Pretty Little Thing.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Christian Ortiz.
Okay.
Pants, True Religion.
Okay.
Target. Her, TJ Maxx.
Yeah.
Hold on, you did the bag.
Okay. I stop.
Pandora.
I'm blind.
Got the biker boots. Guys, we're gonna go eat at this place called
Hobnob.
Hobnob.
Right there.
Soon as BC, my biggest fan, okay? Do they have a person inside of there dressed as Hello Kitty?
They better.
Or is it just a cafe?
I think it's just a cafe.
Well, either way, I need to get my goods. Just because everybody been sending me, listen, y'all.
Everybody.
Everybody been sending me the reel on Instagram. You need to go, you need to go, you need to go. Get some content, get some content.
Even me.
So I'm getting content, all right? But I'm waiting in this long line. So I'm doing this for y'all. Good grief. And for me. So
They close at 7.
this man, I don't even know what he's talking about. The janitor informed us that they will be closing at 7. Even though we were well aware what time they closed.
Yeah, we were.
He's like, oh, you're not gonna make it, you're not gonna make it.
Well,
The line's all the
he's
way
right.
over there. He's right, but it's like, you ain't gotta keep putting this cone in front of me because you don't wanna.
I know.
Like, okay, we get it. So I'ma just take a picture by the truck and just not get anything because at this point,
It don't even matter.
it doesn't. We come to this burger place because the Hobnob, they was packed, baby. Like, her boo gave me a curfew. Yeah, Sakura told her I need to be back by 7. I told him 8. Handshake. So now we at this burger place. Cause like I said, Hobnob was like 40 minutes or something. So guys, we had to come to this place, BGR Burger. Hi, can I please get the bacon cheeseburger, mayo, ketchup, and mustard, medium well. Yes. And can I make that American cheese? No, not lettuce. Mayo, mustard, ketchup. Yes. For here. Alright guys, got the burger. Bacon burger.
Like this.
You say by grace. Liz is literally right next to Liz is right next door to where we're eating at, so we love that.
Good to go. Use your air.
I don't like ketchup.
Hey y'all, the greatest is back again. And let me show y'all what I got.
Go ahead.
I can pick it up. So y'all, I got this with bacon.
It's a bacon cheeseburger.
A bacon cheeseburger.
With lettuce.
With some fries with lettuce, tomato, mayo, and mustard. And get y'all one. With a sweet tea. No bars.
I got the same thing.
Good to go?
With no tomato, no lettuce. Because the shawty over there gonna keep rushing me. So I couldn't even tell her what I wanted to get. Kyrie, do you want to tell them what you have?
Sure. Hey y'all. So I got me a bacon cheeseburger, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles. I didn't say onion, but I wanted mayonnaise and ketchup. So what do you rate it 1 through 10? I give it a cool. Hold on. I give it a 8 out of 10. I haven't had a bite. First bite, I give it a 7.
8.5 for me.
Oh, that the tap. She just threw a bite.
We get our hats made. It's black on black. Period. Girl.
Bye.
Because if it look like that, it's not going to eat down for you.
What is the OG back here? I don't know what all this is about.
I'm just trying to figure out what we.
No. Yo, they bought me flowers. Yo, we've been having a time. I need to take these match my clothes. They do. We came in Publix because we needed to use the bathroom. But then we started looking at the flowers. And then they were like, oh, we'll buy you some flowers. And I just think that's so cute. Because I deserve my flowers every day. Period. And they match my outfit. Who y'all know? Who the baddest? Not you. Who the baddest? Not you. Period. Super cute, super cute, super cute.
Oh my gosh, that's really a cute picture I did right there.
Yeah, y'all see the hats on y'all. Period.
Wait, back 10 years or
I need y'all to turn those towards me so I can get it for the video. When y'all are done.
Y'all, it's the next day. Y'all, today has been very hectic, but that's okay. That's okay. But today is my sister's birthday shenanigans. We were supposed to be going to lunch at 5, but now we're going at 8:30 because we was running behind and stuff. So now we at the Airbnb. We setting up, decorating, all that good stuff. Finna show y'all the fit. Yep, cute. Period. So yeah, I just finished setting up the little snacks and stuff that I got for her and all of that. So I know this vlog all over the place, y'all, but this weekend just been crazy. All right, but it's super cute. This Airbnb is super cute, y'all. Like, it's giving. Anyways, this is the snack table that I just finished setting up. It's cute, not too much, just a little 1, 2 or whatever. So we just chilling right now, and we got dinner. I guess it's dinner now because it's at 8:30. It ain't lunch. So yeah, I look cute. And so we about to finish setting this stuff up or whatever. So yes, I'm gonna show y'all everything once it comes together.
We hit the club, niggas cops feeling jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like is it over? She gets down just like.
So we are at Target right now because my sister, we had to come in here and get some. I didn't want to get videos so bad, y'all.
So welcome to the vlog. Let me see. Welcome to the vlog. So we're at Target. We're at this cool Target. Y'all never been to this one. It's it's underground. Y'all don't know nothing about that, I know. But she thinks she mysterious with them glasses on. Like nobody is looking for you. Nobody's looking for her. And so yeah, we just put on the cart over here. We just got some Olippops to try because I be seeing them on TikTok and stuff.
Anywho, like I was telling y'all, we're in Target because my sister's trying to find
for something, guys.
balloons and tape and stuff for the decorations. I'm driving Kati car, y'all. I don't be driving too much, baby. I'm driving in ATL. But I made it here. So now we're just walking around Target looking dumb. I don't know. I don't know where we're going. But this vlog is all over the place. But that's okay. We love a good hectic vlog. We at the restaurant, baby. I done forgot to record, baby. We've been dealing with this crazy wait. Y'all, he is not real, y'all. He's been cracking us up the whole time. But we at the restaurant in Sandy Springs. It's called the Select. It's real nice. I would show y'all my food, but I already ate it, baby. It's gone. I had this drink. It's gone, baby. I'll be hungry, baby. I ain't.
Yo, this is the best restaurant experience I've ever had in
I
my
ain't
life.
wasting no time. But I got my glasses on because, like, why not? Anybody mad? Anybody looking crazy, they mad.
What you mad about?
You're not even talking about nothing.
Yes, I am. I'm talking about my glasses. And if somebody got a problem, they mad.
Glasses again?
No, I'm not talking about y'all. I'm talking about anybody in this restaurant.
Okay, in this restaurant.
They didn't know that.
Never hit it on anyone's glasses.
Are y'all mad? Because why not?
Oh, wow.
Anywho. Anyways, guys. I'm gonna holler at y'all later because I got some haters around.